Requires high operator involvement for feeding, alignment and stitching. Efficiency and accuracy depends heavily on operator skill. Production volume will be low to medium. Making it suitable for small batch jobs and custom orders. Requires more manual labor, increasing operational costs and human error. Slower production speed and longer changeover time when adjusting for different box sizes. High-speed production, precision and consistency due to automation, reducing errors. This machine is capable of handling complex folding, gluing, and stitching in one operation. Can be operated with minimal skill due to automation and control systems. The use of modern servo motors in the folding and gluing process helps reduce power consumption by providing precise control over machine movements. This automatic machine have a quick setup time, reducing the need for skilled operators to manually adjust the machine, thereby lowering manpower demand. This machine can perform multifunctional operations such as single nail, double nail, and reinforced nail stitching on cardboard boxes. The nail speed can reach 1,000 nails per minute. Consistent high-quality output with built-in quality control systems.